Hello everyone, my name is Yang G. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I did this look using the new Nude Eyeshadow Palette by Huda Beauty. I know it's not a new product. I bought it for my pro kit, but I'm not able to use it much because, well, go figure. Pandemic, matapos ka na. Hoping to be back to the grind again, but for now, I'm enjoying making videos for you guys. So please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And if you want to see me create this pinkish nude monochromatic look, please keep on watching. Okay, I already did my base and my eyebrows. If you want to see how I did my eyebrows, I'll put the link somewhere here. And I'll also put the link in the description box below. Actually, kinakabahan ako sa look na gagawin ko ngayon. My friends know it too well that I am not a fan of these colors. Feeling ko hindi siya bagay sa akin, pero dahil sayang yung makeup, here we are. This isn't so bad. I actually like it. All products used will be listed in the description box below if you want to know what they are. By the way, it's the Halloween weekend. Please do check out my previous video for the Halloween look I created. I will also put the link in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please like and share this video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much everyone. I'll see you on my next video. And if you want to see me create